Historic houses in Tarsus, which largely preserve their names today and reflect the social and cultural life of Tarsus in the 19th and 20th centuries, are concentrated in the neighborhoods of Kızılmurat, Cami-i Nur, Sofular, Tabakhane, and Şehit Kerim. Before we begin our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to embark on delightful journeys filled with intriguing secrets. Enjoy the show and stay tuned for more. Have a great time. The historic houses that have survived to the present day have undergone significant changes in recent years to meet the needs, with additions such as kitchens, toilets, and bathrooms made to the interior sections, while their exteriors, predominantly made of stone, have been largely preserved. Their earthen-covered roofs have been covered with tiles or zinc due to the difficulty of maintaining mud plaster. Due to the richness provided by both the climate and geography, and the socio-economic structure, it has become almost impossible to trace the development of housing in the topography of Tarsus, where continuous settlement has been ensured. However, it is possible to speak of the presence of unique civil architecture shaped by the multiculturalism of the past century. Indeed, Tarsus is one of the rare places in Çukurova where the diversity of traditional housing has been largely preserved, albeit decreasing in number day by day. In the formation of the architecture of the houses, lined up on both sides of narrow streets, it is observed that stone, adobe, and wood are used in great harmony in Tarsus houses, which have two types of plans placed perpendicular or parallel to the street. The lower floors are generally considered as workspaces, while the upper floors are designed as living spaces. The walls forming the lower floors are kept high and arranged to be suitable for storing the products of Çukurova, especially the voluminous cotton. It is a common practice in Tarsus to divide these spacious storages, known as mağaza in the region, into intermediate floors to obtain new spaces for the increasing household. In all historic Tarsus houses, there is always a small or large courtyard, despite being behind high walls. These spaces, where a large part of life passes, are spacious and generally resemble a small garden. On the other hand, the most impressive aspect of the Tarsus house tradition is the doors made with countless efforts and various embroideries, which guide us to see the personality of the houses. While the interiors are simple, the entrances are enriched with intense decorations, as is common in the entire East, with geometric and botanical patterns. The exterior facade restorations of the historic Tarsus houses have been carried out by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism. Moreover, the interior sections of the expropriated houses have been restored as boutique hotels. There are residential buildings serving as boutique hotels around the St. Paul's Well area, where historic houses are densely located. These structures continue to undergo restoration work, enriching the visual richness of Tarsus historical streets. The rest of the video will leave you face to face with history. Enjoy watching.